All right, so I'm out here at Windrock. I'm not gonna bring you a lot of footage because you've seen these trails before. It's nothing, I mean, there's a dozen videos out there, but I'm gonna just give y'all a little bit of footage. I got here kind of later than I expected to, so I'm only gonna do Trail 51 and Trail 26. I'm not gonna do the other one because of two reasons. A, time, and B, I gotta drive this thing 2 days back to Texas. So I'm gonna knock these two out, have a little bit of fun, and you know, take it on back home. So I'm gonna just give y'all a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and make it happen. Peace. I don't know whether y'all can see this, but up ahead I just saw a hog. Get up there where he at. Look at him. There you go. God dang, how many coming out of there? How many of y'all? Well, it was a big one down there somewhere, but I saw about 12 come out of there. Guess I messed up the afternoon. My bad. Oops. Y'all all right?
Broke the track bar off the axle trying to lift it down the hill.
Oh, man.
Steering's all over, yeah.
Oh, man, that is, and you all the way from Indiana?
Yeah, I gotta try to find a welder.
Woo! I ain't from around here, so I don't know nobody. I wish I did.
We're just trying to make it to the parking lot, see if I can do something.
Yeah, maybe one of those guys that trailers down there, they might be.
You never know.
I wish I could help you, brother.
All right, buddy.
All right, man.
Hey, have a good one.
You too. Alright, check it out. So here's the deal. Gotta make this quick because I gotta roll. So I went up, I did a couple trails that I've wanted to do. I didn't take a lot of videos, didn't take any pictures because while I was up there, well, I also did another trail up there too. I don't even know where I was. I got lost and looped around somewhere. But anyway, while I was on one of the trails, I got a message that said, hey, because of the hurricane that's going on in the Gulf, gas prices probably gonna go up, which is true. Hey, that's how it works. It is what it is. And it might be gas shortages. Problem is, I gotta go back to Texas. So that might affect my route. Now I got 2 routes I could take. One that goes down through Mississippi. Obviously I'm not taking that one because hurricanes coming that way. And the other one goes through Arkansas and go around like when I came here, when I went through Hot Springs. So I had to cut my wheeling short. I would have liked to have done more trails, had more time out here at Windrock, but you know what? Hey, I'll come back some other time and do some other trails. But hey, it's a great park. There's tons of video on it. Y'all go on, check them out. If you get a chance, make a trip up here, spend a couple days, 2, 3, whatever, enjoy it. But as for me, I'm out. Y'all stay safe. Go change your life. Peace out.